yung last na makakalaban natin sa group stages ng Suzuki Cup, of course, is Myanmar. Ito, nakaharap na natin nung sa Challenge Cup qualifiers, no? I think it was a goalless draw, tama ba?
Yes.
It was, no? Ngayon, of course, we are in a must-win situation in Vietnam to advance. But we're also
Moving
looking
forward
at we're also looking at this very crucial, of course, Myanmar match. Like we said, it was a goalless draw. And the match that they had with Vietnam, of course, in the group stage is 1-1. So, but Myanmar was dominating. Vietnam looked listless. So, ano bang basa natin dito? So, of course, andito, kasama natin syempre si Mr. Richie Ganabra at si Miko Mabalag. Ang mukha nga nag-audition yata. Kapuso. May lahing kapuso pala. Kaya pala nagpapahitang gilas kanina pa to eh.
Kinain ka buhay.
Oo nga, hindi pinagbigyan ko rin. Baka kalmutin ako sa hita eh.
Hindi, wala talaga.
O sige, go.
Ako lang
Okay.
I mean, what do you
Myanmar.
expect from the top qualifier from the
Ang inaabangan natin dito sa Myanmar, si Kiao Coco naman, di ba?
Hindi ko na spelling.
Ayan. Hindi na bali. Basta ganun yung pangalan. Kumbaga sa Vietnam,
mahirap i-pronounce, mahirap i-spell.
I-spell, diba?
Pronounce na lang natin.
Oo,
Hope you pronounce it right.
Correct.
Tama ba?
Sana, no? Sa Vietnam, si Le Cong Vin, di ba? Sa ano naman, si Kiao Coco. So, pero Myanmar tayo ngayon. So, anong basa natin dito?
Again, what I said earlier, now, what do you expect from the top qualifier, from the qualifying rounds?
So, kahit pa paano, meron
top eh. Tapos, hindi yung pagka-qualify niya, hindi yung tipong chambang-chambang.
Correct.
He really dominated.
Nag-dominate siya
Myanmar really dominated the qualifying
Yes.
round. To emerge on top, and then sakto nga nag-group up with us.
Kaya nga siya napunta sa group of death.
Nag-group of death together with Vietnam and Thailand.
The top 3 nga daw.
Wala na
diba?
bang ikamamalas ang Pinas?
No, we have to remember that it was the Philippines that booted out Myanmar.
Correct.
That's why we are now in the Suzuki Cup. Dahil nandyan tayo, sila ngayon ang nasa qualifier.
Tayo nagpalit eh.
Tayo nagpalitan lang tayo. So I think they're out for revenge.
Sino yung nakaharap nila sa qualifiers? Timor-Leste was there, Laos was
Cambodia
there,
was there,
Cambodia was
and Brunei.
there. And Brunei. How did they do?
They won 3 matches and they drew 1.
Yeah.
Okay? So makikita natin na, and it was held in Myanmar, no? So makikita natin that they dominated the qualifiers. And the last time that we met, December of 2010, it was a scoreless draw. Way back in 2002, I think that was their biggest win for the national team. No, they beat us 6-1.
Wow.
So there's already a history of Philippines-Myanmar.
Sa Suzuki Tiger Cup pa ito noon.
Yes, it was still the Tiger Cup that time.
That's right.
Looking at the record, Myanmar in the Suzuki Cup, they played 32 matches. Out of the 32, they won 12, they drew 7, and they lost 13. As compared to the Philippines, we played 39 matches, we won 8, drew 7, and lost 24 matches. But again, you know,
pero ito resurgence na to.
Yes,
resurgence na, di ba? Nasa 143 na tayo ngayon. But ako, I'd like to dub this match as a rematch of sorts.
Yes.
Kasi dito natin grudge match to eh. Dito natin malalaman kung sino nga abante, kung sinong malalaglag, di ba? So a lot is expected from us. Of course, being Filipinos, we'd like the Philippines to win. But again, Myanmar, they drew Vietnam. Vietnam is one of the champions.
Nagulat ako nung nakita ko talaga 1-1.
1-1. So
at sila ang nakauna.
Sila ang nakauna. Okay. It was Vietnam that drew.
That equalized, yes.
Di ba? So makikita natin that Myanmar also has improved. Di ba? But again, ako personally, I don't know what the preparations of Myanmar were leading to this stage, to the group stage.
Yes.
But I'd like to see us win, of course, against Myanmar.
Yun.
Hindi nga eh. Kasi
tahimik tayo bigla.
Ito na lang. Si Miko, ito na tanungin lang kita na dun sa Myanmar kasi obviously Vietnam nag-draw 1-1 eh. Medyo alam naman okay. Kaya hindi na ako naniniwala kasi dun sa ranking niya.
Oo.
Walang yang ranking yan. Di ba? Nagbibigay ng false hope. Pero ito na lang, I mean, we'll use the rankings now. What do you expect from Myanmar? I mean, coming from they drew Vietnam, and then obviously they're going against Thailand.
Yes, Thailand kasi kalaban natin Vietnam.
Pero I mean, sabi nga ni Richie, yung history between Myanmar and the Philippines, tapos tinanggalan natin sila ng pwesto sa group. Ngayon, mag-rematch eh. Kumbaga, lagyan natin sa what do you expect from Myanmar, and what do you think the Philippines should do in terms of preparation, even the tactics or the gameplay?
Well, first of all, I think the past is the past. Tapos na yan eh.
May ganun, no?
May ganun. Tapos moving on ba?
Moving forward.
Parang heartbroken lang.
Hindi kasi tapos na yung parang mga history na yan, yung mga stats. Parang yung pinaka-important ngayon is how the coaches will prepare their players. For example, diba yung first game, sinasabi nyo parang ang sama ng starting 11. So tingnan natin kung if our coach will play the cards right. That's one thing. So sa Myanmar naman, let's see if Myanmar did their homework. Kung nag-scout din sila, kung tinignan nila kung sino tamang markahan and whatnot. So, feeling ko, yun lang talaga, yung tamang preparation, tamang mentality yan, isa pa yan, mentality ng Philippines. Papasok ba sa utak nila yung, eto, mas mataas yung ranking namin sa inyo, natanggal namin kayo. Dapat wala na yung lahat na yan. Yung game na yun is the present. Yun yung kailangan nilang i-focus. Same with Myanmar. So, let's see what happens. It's always, parang di ba yung kasabihan na cliche na ngayon, bilog ang bola. Bilog ang bola talaga sa soccer. So, tingnan natin.
Talaga.
Or if at all, di ba? Sa American football lang yun.
American football
lang. Pero sana, tama rin yung point ni Miko, no, na ang Pilipinas din, on our end, parang dapat meron naman tayong patunayan na Myanmar, kaya ka namin tinanggal kasi may dahilan.
We deserve,
diba? We deserve to be here. So ikaw, dyan ka muna uli. Parang ganon.
Ayun kami.
Diba? At etong interesting dyan, yung mga nanood of course ng match natin against Thailand, yung kanilang playmaker, no, si Datsa Korntong Lao, diba? Wala siya for the match against Myanmar bukas.
So medyo iba
kasi
pang
inatake siya ng kung anong groin injury. So medyo
kung anong groin injury.
Oo, di ba? Hindi na natin alam.
Nakalmot daw eh.
Kinalmot yata.
Kinalmot ni Miko. Dito.
May naturuan yan sa Vietnam to eh. Hindi, pero yun. So he's out, no? For the match. And
that's a good thing for
which
Myanmar,
would be
definitely.
good for Myanmar, and I don't know. We don't know how the Thais will react to it. So malay natin, baka they might just come out with a win, no? Myanmar.
Ako, one player that I'd like to for the team to watch out to be Yan Piang.
Yun.
Okay. Yan Piang did not play in the qualifying round because he was injured, but now he's back. And when he played against Vietnam, he created a lot of chances for the team. Sa lagay na yun. So I think this is one of the players to watch. He's a striker. He plays up front, so I think he's one of the key players to watch for the Philippines Myanmar.
Ito ginagawa natin ito normally dito sa atin. Ginagawa natin ito eh.
Ay.
Predictions, di ba?
Okay.
Masaya dito eh. Kasi nga
ng Myanmar, kaso mauna kasi yung Vietnam natin.
Hindi, kulang na nga lang dito, pustahan talaga. May mga tanggal na.
Sige.
May prediction sila natin. Ito, predictions natin since wala. Si Roy wala dito.
Oo nga, andun.
Tayo naman, di ba?
Sige, ibibigay ko sa
may pustahan to? Tanggal ang t-shirt ba?
Huwag naman. Ibibigay ko sa Pinas. Pero 1-0.
1-0.
Malapit lang.
Tanggalin natin yung mindset ng Vietnam, ha?
Wala.
Kaya sila
Myanmar lang
natin.
Sabihin natin yung lineup na nung sa Peace Cup, yun yung palaruin.
Nako.
Sabihin ko mga 2-1 Philippines.
Ako yayabangan ko na. 3-1.
Sabi niya.
3-1
ako, kontra na lang ako.
Sige.
0-0.
Nil. Okay.
Feel ko nil.
At least we split the points, so somehow it will help in our favor.
Ako call ko
hopefully.
nil lang. Kasi, mindset ko lang, baka sabi nga ni Miko, baka babaguhin ba yung pero I don't see that really, that drastic of a change.
Natin.
I don't see that
muna.
drastic of a change.
Tignan natin kung ano resulta
ng Vietnam. Depende na sa Vietnam. Pero ako, I still hold to the 0-0.
Pero bago tayo mag-sign off, interesante lang kasi yung point na nakalaban ng isang Philippine club, ang isang Burmese, isang Myanmar club, di ba? Sa Singapore Cup nung huli. Hindi ko lang alam kung meron bang mga taga-Kanbauza dito sa national team ng Myanmar, no? Pero wala lang. Kasi yun lang yung exposure na yun yung exposure ng mga Filipino,
the closest
football fans and casual fans, di ba? Sa ano ba tong Myanmar na to, di ba? Pero sige. So, abangan natin Vietnam first. And then Myanmar.
Kailan yung matches ulit?
Vietnam on Tuesday, Myanmar on Friday. Yan. So,
yun, support the Philippine football, Philippine Ascals.
So, for more updates on the group stages of the Suzuki Cup and hopefully kung makaabante po ang Pinas.
Yan!
Yan!
Laban!
Follow us at FTW Sports. Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas.